importance of colors.
Yes.
And
Which color is your favorite color? And if you have some extra knowledge, you can give us,
yeah, yeah.
because you
Hmm.
are experience holder. So I think you have vast knowledge.
Not, Tanya, not experience, just like you all people, even I am, So I'm a learner also. That see, if I were not a learner, I would be fluent in English. Then I think I won't be here in this group because even
Hmm.
I'm learning. So that's why I'm here with you all people. Yeah,
Okay. So just for my viewer, a little
yeah.
bit introduction I want from your side.
Okay, okay, okay. You know my name? Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Alka ma'am.
okay. Yeah. So, yeah. And I come from Lucknow. It's a capital of Uttar Pradesh, as well as it's known as Nawabon ka Sheher. We call it, Nawabon ka Sheher. And I'm a
Mm-hmm.
postgraduate, and two sons I have. They both are married. Yeah, and my
Mm-hmm.
husband is a retired banker. So
Mm.
yeah, this is about me. Yeah.
Mm. And how is the weather?
Weather is being too hot, nowadays we are having a maximum temperature, it goes up to 42, 41 to 42 around. Yeah,
Mm. Same here.
yeah. You, okay, you connecting me from, okay, you give me introduction first. Yes. Okay.
Okay, I'm Tanya and I'm connecting with you from Jaipur city. I'm a
Hmm.
homemaker. I have a kid also. That's all about me.
Good,
So
very
today's
nice.
topic is color. Why color is so important in our life?
Okay, so I should start. Okay. Yeah, Tanya. Actually, you know what? According to me, I think the role of colors is paramount in
Mm-hmm.
our lives. Paramount, like we can say, it's phenomenal in our lives. So
Mm-hmm.
if we had only a single color, like imagine if everything was white or everything was black, so there was no,
Mm-hmm.
our mood won't be, uplifted or elevated. See,
Mm-hmm.
if a child, not only speaking about child, even we people, when we watch somewhere in the rainbow, how a child he feels so much exhilarated and gets happy, and same thing happens with us also. See, when we watch like rainbow, suppose rainbow was only single color, blue or white, there was nothing so special about that. So, so that only saying. And even it happens with us also. When we go on the road, when you watch a rainbow, automatically it comes from a mouth, see, rainbows looking so beautiful. Just because of
Mm.
colors, looking beautiful. So I say, yeah, colors, of course, they play a vital role and phenomenal,
Mm.
role
And
colors
they
have.
always attract us. They always attract us.
Yeah. So,
Mm.
and of course, suppose, imagine, there won't
Mm-hmm.
be any differentiate. There were no colors okay, like black or white. Only single color was any color was single. So we would
Mm-hmm.
won't be getting differentiated between like taxis and autos and everything. We find taxis. We find that
Mm.
nameplate with yellow. It's in yellow. Then we
Mm.
can from far away we can guess that yeah, particular that vehicle is a taxi and this is a
Mm.
car. So we get to know about this. And there are many things. If we talk on colors about colors, yeah, and definitely it uplifts our mood. So
Mm-hmm.
yeah, so
I
yeah,
have observed. I have observed like three colors we are using in almost everything, like yellow, red, and green.
green, right? Yellow, red, and green. They are the prominent colors we have in our life.
Mm.
And we can say, the red color symbolizes like for anger. There are many,
Mm.
emotions also while showing to anger. We then there's a red color,
Anger,
that
anger,
yeah,
and excitement and boldness.
that is in red color. Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, and for peace and purity, I think the color symbol, which color symbolizes is white. Yeah,
Yes.
okay. And
Mm-hmm.
we talk about these mysteries. Those what to say those. I'm not recalling the exact name. Those Babas kind, no, they do magical something. What to say. They use a black
It's
color.
okay.
Yeah, yeah, that mystery.
Baba Black
Yeah,
Sheep. Yes.
yeah, in the
Mm.
tantric, those tantrics, they use the black color. So for them, black
Mm.
color is prominent to perfume those kind. Sorry, to pursue those kind of activities. Yeah.
Mm.
So those
Hmm.
colors, we get differentiated between so many things. Yes. So
Yes.
it's a,
And when we like sometimes we are buying Maggie chips, I
yeah,
have observed there are two colors, like yellow and red color.
yeah. Okay. For Maggie,
Yeah,
okay, I
Maggie.
know because there are no children in our house, so that's why I don't know about much about Maggie. Okay.
Lay's chips, I think you have eat Lay's chips. The
Yeah,
packet
yeah,
in two color, red, white. Most of the you can say food items packaging is yellow and red color.
yeah, yeah, yeah. And so, yeah, in Maggie, I don't know about Maggie, but in some of the package, the color, that icon, so I mean, green is meant for, like, these things
Hmm.
are for vegetarian, and red
Yes.
symbolizes for non-veg articles.
Hmm.
So, yes,
Hmm.
in this way, we can differentiate so many things with the help of the
Hmm.
color. Yeah,
And green color are also used for freshness and greenery
green.
also.
Yeah. Correct, green is, yeah. So,
Hmm.
and even if we see our walls, painted, then if the dark
Hmm.
walls are there, then we'll feel some kind of, we'll have feeling, that depressing kind of feeling. If the walls are dark, too dark. So,
Hmm.
I think nobody will like to have their walls painted in dark colors. Okay.
Hmm.
Maybe,
And
maybe
you
some
know
people,
in hmm.
yeah.
Hmm.
So
Go
it's
ahead.
according to choice. Yeah.
Hmm.
But the color light on the walls, it gives us so much of, calmness and coolness to our minds. Yeah.
Hmm. 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 And in summer season, mostly we change curtain colors also. We use
Right.
light color curtain.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. And in winters we use dark color curtains. Yeah,
Hmm. Because
and even
dark color absorb more heat. It is a scientific reason.
right,
Dark
right.
color absorb more heat.
Yeah, and the role of colors is so much vast, Tanya, that for
Hmm.
ladies while makeup, they
Hmm.
color their with eyeshadows, with the matching dress they are wearing. So,
Hmm.
but yeah, so they'll be coloring their eyes like eyeshadow, the same color of the dress they are wearing, and
Hmm.
the lipsticks also we put according to what sari we are wearing, or what kind of a dress
Hmm.
we are wearing. So there's a
Hmm.
vast role of colors in our life. Do
Hmm.
you agree?
Hmm.
I think everybody
Yeah,
agree.
I agree. Agree.
There's a vast role, yeah, of colors in our life.
Which is your favorite color?
My color is green. I love green. Yeah.
Okay,
Mostly,
green color.
when my
Hmm.
daughter-in-laws know, they'll open my cupboard. Then automatically, by the automatically something will be they will be telling me, yeah, oh, mommy, you're having, you're so many green colors you're having. I don't know why. Whenever I go to market, I be buying a sari or something dress material for me. Automatically, my hand goes on the green color. I like, I don't
Hmm.
know why, but I like the green color. Yeah,
Every person had their own choice.
yeah,
Some
yeah.
person like green color. If I talk about my choice, I like black color.
Red.
Black color. Black.
Yeah, yeah. Black, it suits everyone. It suits everyone. Black color is very nice. Even my son,
Hmm.
he loves black color. It looks
But
good. Yeah.
due to some reasons, sometime I think we can say we are changing our choice also.
Yeah, right, 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 right. So,
Every
yeah,
time black color is not good for any occasion. Like we are going in a temple and we are
right.
worshipping some god. That
Yeah.
time black color is not good.
Yeah, this thing I didn't knew about this color you're mentioning, when while going to temple. So once in my Ambala, my Masi came to stay with me for some days. So there
Hmm.
was a temple right in front of my house. So I told my Masi that I will be just returning within few minutes. I'm going to a temple which we are having the right in the front of our house. So I was wearing that black suit, that time. And she,
Hmm.
she pointed out, come here, come here. So I just returned back and she told me, just change your dress. I was not able to get what she's saying to change me the dress. So
Hmm.
because she told me, see, never wear black dress whenever you go to temple where you
Hmm.
don't have anything red or pink. She asked me, don't you have anything pink or red? I told, yeah, I'm having. So I wore a red
Hmm.
sari and I went to temple. So that is what,
Hmm.
we don't wear, black. Yeah.
Hmm.
Actually, when
Most of
somebody
the
wears,
time. Mm-hmm.
Also, if somebody
Mm-hmm.
dies, so when we go to their house, and that time we wear white. Yeah, so
Mm.
yeah,
Mm. If we are going in some other's family for condolence, that
yeah,
time
that
we
we also
should
have
wear some light color cloth.
it. Yeah,
If we don't have white color, so
that's
that
okay.
time we
That's
can wear light color. Light
yeah,
color.
yeah, correct. Yeah,
Yes. If we are wearing, you can say hot red color, bright color, most of the people will point out you.
correct. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Mm. So
So
sometimes
these
we
are the
should.
things. Yeah, these are the things. Yeah, colors are really of great importance to us. See, yeah, if somebody drawing or painting, that time also, so individual use. They need a different varieties of colors to paint. To yeah.
Do you also think color can also influence our mood?
Of course, why not? I think so.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Suppose we are sitting in a room, it's all
Mm.
painted white or any cream color or gray color,
Mm.
and at the same moment, suppose everything is of the same color, like wall and furniture, everything. And
Mm.
somebody hangs a portrait or some wall hanging with different
Mm.
color, which we are having in the drawing room, everything is the same color, and the other thing that somebody has hanged on the wall, then we're looking at it, it will be looking different and automatically raise. It will uplift our mood, we'll be feeling so
Mm.
elevated looking at that. So yeah, it
Mm.
happens. And if we hang the same kind of same color, the wall we are having, so we will be watching difference between the colors. Automatically, the bright color will be looking so good.
Mm.
So yeah,
Have you also heard about a therapy, color therapy,
no, never,
chromotherapy?
no, never. What's that?
In this therapy, like some people who are facing some, you can say some problems, sleeping
Okay,
disorders, some other
okay,
kind of disorders, that
yeah,
time they are giving color therapy and it is called chromotherapy.
aromatherapy.
Yes,
Okay, yeah, I'm
yes.
not. Okay, okay.
And one thing I would like to tell you, if you have observed, I think because you are a very good observer. So
Yeah,
in rooms, there are blue light, small, small blue light we are using. When we want sleep, that time in the night, we light that blue light. And
yeah,
blue light is a very good light, and in that light we can sleep easily. And it is also used for insomnia patient and
yeah, yeah,
sleeping disorder patient.
yeah, yeah, blue light. Yes, yes,
Yes.
yeah.
And one color light, I forget which light is used for acne problem. Muhase.
Okay, for that.
Yes.
Okay,
I don't know which color light is used, but it is used.
okay.
Yes.
I
And
maybe,
traffic signal, already we are using three lights, red, yellow, and
yeah,
green.
red, yellow, and green. Yeah, yeah,
Yes. So in that
yeah.
way, we can say colors are really very useful in our life.
Yes, yes, yeah. We can,
Yes.
with the help of color, we can differentiate so many things. Yeah.
Mm. And when
And
we watch, like,
see, Tanya,
mhm.
school buses, in the all over the world, they are painted yellow.
Mm.
So
Yes.
yeah. So
Because after watching that color, we can identify, okay, it is a school van, school bus.
yes, yeah, correct. Yeah,
So I think that is the reason they have chosen yellow color.
yeah, 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 yeah. And maybe the
Yes.
second reason, maybe that it's seen every time. Whether I don't know, but maybe that yellow color looks prominent. While it's dark on the roads. Maybe,
Mm.
and
Mm-hmm.
yeah, maybe, yeah.
And some signs are also made in yellow color, and it looks brighter in the night time.
Okay, yeah, yeah, correct. Yes, 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 yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, and the road signs and whatever, so many things. Yeah,
Hmm. And when someone is wearing red color, I don't know, hot red color, you can say. That time, automatically we attract that person.
right, right. Yeah, it happens, right. It happens, yeah.
Yes.
And it
And
looks good.
like you are going in a wedding function, and you have here a very light color dress. That time, most person point out you why you had wearing this kind of color.
Right,
You should
right.
wear dark colors
Yeah, 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 yeah. So true. Yeah, yeah.
because yes, and colors are different. Like day color are different and night color are different.
Right. Yes, yes. Nowadays,
In the
when
day,
bride, the
mhm,
girl who becomes a bride, but these days those brides, they choose like pastel colors, to wear their
hmm.
lehenga and dresses. Nowadays, they don't use dark colored dresses. Only,
but I
pastel.
prefer but I prefer red color for the wedding
Yeah,
purpose
red color is dominant and it looks so good. Yeah,
because I always assume that we are not celebrity, we are a simple person and we
right,
should follow our rituals
right, 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 right. Yeah,
because celebrities can do anything, but we are not
yes.
celebrities.
Yeah, of course, yeah.
Yes, and if we are attending some, you can say day party, that time I think we should wear light color. And if we are going in some close relative,
Yeah,
that time I think we should use dark color
yeah, yeah, so true. Yes, yeah.
in the night time.
There is a, I must say, vast, we can talk so many things on, like, I'm, while talking to you, I'm recalling one thing more that in the
Mm-hmm.
temples, pandits, they wear a
Hmm.
saffron colored dress or white or red, in the temples also we see, the pandits, yeah, who
Hmm.
perform pujas. So they
Hmm.
wear, saffron colored dhotis and kurtas. So there's
Hmm.
a vast, what to say about colors. Yeah.
Yes. So that was the today's topic. Anything if
Yes.
you want, you can add it in this topic. Any
No,
memories, any good thing.
no, I don't remember as such, maybe afterwards, but yeah. And that much I knew, whatever I knew, yeah, I told you, yeah, but not further
Hmm.
than that. I'm not able to recall, yeah.
And what's your preparation for summer days? Like this time is very hot day. So are you preparing any special kind of like aam panna, some other
Yeah,
kind of
I
drinks?
drink Tanya daily, except not today. Today,
Mm-hmm.
because I was fed up of having panna every day, so that's why I made chutney today. Pudina, that
Mm-hmm.
mint and raw mango,
Mm-hmm.
no, that chutney I prepared today. Yeah, but panna is very good for the summer days, and
Mm-hmm.
because of this heat wave, it's very difficult to step outside, these days actually.
Yes,
So
because
panna,
outside it is very scorching sunlight and
yeah,
skin
too
can
much.
burn.
Yeah, of course.
Hmm. Do you think after discussion so many like topics we can boost our vocabulary?
Yeah,
Do you
why
think
not?
like this?
Yeah, when you speak on different topics, what happens? Our mind, starts working automatically. You know, we don't have to think. We don't stop anywhere. Now, what I have to speak, now, what I have to tell. So, automatically, whether it's wrong or right, it just goes on pouring anything. So, yeah, definitely it will help us develop our fluency too. And I think
Because my
whenever
focus. Hmm.
yeah. So whenever this is the second time I think we are having conversation, and after this, whenever we'll be having conversation, always we'll talk on something or the other, any topic. Okay, and in that
Because
way,
always my focus is we should speak more and more on the topic. And
right, right,
along with this, we should analyze our mistakes, you can say grammatical mistakes.
correct, yeah, yes, and you also have a full liberty, to point me out if I'm making some mistake. So I tell to
Hmm.
everybody if I'm making mistake, maybe it happens, it unknowingly we make mistake. And we don't even recall that we had made mistakes. So, and you have a liberty, to everybody to whom I speak, everybody has liberty to point out the other person because we all are learners over here, Tanya. No, nobody's perfect.
Because my channel always promotes that person who wants to speak in English. I sometimes you can say I'm not giving so much attention what she is saying, what he is saying. My always focus is we should more and more speak because every person has power to analyze their mistake.
Right. Yeah. This is true. Yes.